Hello and welcome. So I want to show you this vehicle from La Marca Mobility. It's the La Marca 69, and this thing here is going to cost 74,000 euros. Very unusual own brand vehicle. First thing I notice, door with a big bag, a big bin inside down here. Right, okay, let's come and see the other stuff. They've got a bed up here which will drop down. Now you might like the style, but I'm sure that you're doing different colors if you so desired. Fiat Ducato base. We have got a table here which I think is from the Italian company Marca, which will go up and down electronically. To my left here we'll find we've got two burners here, three burners here, and a sink. Sorry, I've been doing this constantly now for 2 hours, and I've got drawers with proper sides to them. It might be a bit big for some people's use. Up here we've got storage as well. Now at the back we've got this German bed layout, and with I think an original look actually to it. Of course we can extend this out like that, put this in here and make a very big bed under the bed. Also we've got storage, and drawers and more storage here, so there's plenty of room to put things. La Marca is based in Landsberg am Lech and in Bavaria, so they have a number of own brand vehicles like this one, but at the same time they actually stock a wide range of other motorhomes. These vehicles are manufactured for them in Italy. Two drainage points are the preferred larger ones, but the shower unit is very large. There's the toilet and there's me in the mirror. Why am I carrying a bag on my front? It's because it says no backpacks, so mine's a front pack. Actually, as I carry another bag at my front of my waist level as well, I suppose that has reduced my footprint as such, and I've got more control. I understand why they don't want things, people coming in with backpacks on. I've given you a very quick overview of this vehicle before. There are people here at this event, so I don't want to get in the way of anybody making a sale. There's your garage, boiler down there, and here we'll find the space for two normal sized gas cylinders, same size door at either end of the vehicle. And so I've given you a very quick overview. I hope you find it interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.